Hello. Okay, welcome to another video. Okay, in this video, I'm going to explain to you what is the difference between venom and poison. A lot of people were asking me, why do you say a snake is venomous? Why not you say a snake is poisonous? Both the same one. Actually, scientifically, both are not the same. Okay. Oh, by the way, this is my pet buddy, my rubber buddy. Hello. Okay. Then you see. Okay, what's the meaning of poison? I am being food poisoned. I'm suffering from food poisoning. Okay, poison is something that you swallow, you inhale a poisonous gas. You inhale, then you become dizzy, you concuss on the floor, faint. Or you swallow something, you eat something wrong, go in, you get food poisoning, you get diarrhea. That is poison. It is going into your digestive system. Like if you take 10 Panadol or 20 Panadol, you swallow at one time, what will happen? That's it. If they call for ambulance, you go to the hospital, you get treated for poisoning. Okay, overdose of medicine, overdose of drugs, you swallow it, that is poison. Or there's a bottle of poison, I drink it. Either it can be fatal, people can die, or that's it. Your body will become weak, then you'll faint, then you'll get diarrhea, you'll vomit, then they have to carry you to the hospital. Okay, it is something that you swallow. Poison is something that you swallow, you eat, you inhale. Okay, venom. What is venom? Venom similar to poison, but venom is directly injected into your system, meaning that poison is man-made, like chemical. I drink one bottle of chlorine, that's it, it goes inside, I get poison. It is man-made chemical. Medicine, drugs, all these are man-made. I swallow, it goes into my digestive system. But venom is not man-made. Venom is naturally from animals or from plants, some poisonous plants. It is natural. Okay, so this, you don't eat it, you don't swallow it, it is directly injected into your system through your veins, through your blood. Okay, let's say a scorpion is venomous, a cobra is venomous, a king cobra is highly venomous. Okay, an Australian taipan, a sea snake, yellow-bellied sea snake is highly venomous, meaning that it has venom inside. It's not man-made, it's naturally from the snake, naturally from the scorpion. When the scorpion or snake bites you or stings you, it is the venom is directly injected into your system. It goes into your blood, goes into your body, and what happens? You get intoxicated. Then, like what I told you in my other videos, when a cobra, then when the venom gets into your body, then you'll get dizzy, you'll get blurred vision, then your body will become weak, your breathing will start to get heavier, difficult. Okay, remember this: blurred vision, your head spinning, you get high, your breathing gets difficult, your body gets very weak, your heart keep on beating fast, beats faster, and your knees, your hands become weak. The venom is going to your body, it's taking effect. And if you don't go to the hospital on time and inject the anti-venom, you die. This is fatal. Can be fatal, means you die. Okay, so venom is directly injected into your body by a scorpion or by a snake or some venomous animal. Okay, it won't give you the venom and you don't swallow it. Directly injected inside your body, inside your system, inside your veins. It goes into your blood directly, not through your mouth. Poison is something that you swallow accidentally or purposely. People who want to commit suicide, they drink poison. Okay, it goes into your digestive system. It goes, you swallow through your mouth or inhale a poisonous gas through your nose. Okay, this is how a poison works. It goes into your body. Venom injected directly by the animal. Poison is man-made. Just remember this thing, very simple. Poison is man-made, chemicals, medicines, drugs. Inhale, through your mouth you swallow. Venom, not man-made, directly from a venomous animal, not through your mouth, but injected in your system, injected into your veins, your body, your blood. It goes into your blood, it takes effect. But poison, venom, both can be fatal. Both are dangerous. Okay, it can land you run to hospital. Okay, it'll put you out of action for a few days, or can be fatal. Fatal means death. You will die. Okay, so this is the difference. So when a snake bites you, don't say the correct scientific way, I'm not bitten by a poisonous snake, I'm bitten by a venomous snake. Okay, not the poison is injected, the venom, venom, is injected into my body. Okay, a scorpion has a venom, a spider, a tarantula spider, it also has venom. Cobra has a venom, adder, black mamba, okay, a yellow bellied sea snake, hook nose sea snake, a coral snake, Australian taipan, all these are venomous snakes. Also the rattlesnake. Okay, so I hope I cleared your doubt on the difference between poison, venom. Both are toxic, both are dangerous for you, for your body, for your life. So poisonous is poisonous, venomous is venomous. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll come up with more videos on outdoor adventure, survival, and animals. Alright, thanks for watching. Till we meet again. Bye bye.